Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you how you can simply move Steam games to another drive on your computer. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is go to Steam and Settings. In Settings, you want to click here on Downloads. And you're gonna see like the content libraries here, and you want to click on Steam library folders. Okay. And now we're gonna select, this is my library folder here. I can select used space and free space. I'm going to add a library folder. And now I will just add here, I don't know, I will create in the new folder and I will name it Steam Games. Okay, select. Oh. I had to create, wait a second. Steam Games. Okay. But I want to have it like here. Oh, I was still in D. We need to go to C. Oh my god. Now let's name it Steam Games. Okay. Steam Games. You need to go to C. That's my fault. I thought I'm in C. I'm like, what is this? I can't make a tutorial. Let's close it down. Let's click OK. Let's go to library. And now just find whatever game you got. I got Outpost here. Properties. Local files. And move insta folder. And voila. And you just move it here. So this is how you do it. Pretty simple, pretty easy, but this is how you can move Steam games to another drive. I'm sorry for the beginning, guys, but you know how it works now. Have a great day, everybody, and goodbye.